All right, so the wind actually stopped. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to record a little more. This is my climb out. So we got about 2 miles to get back to the parking lot. Let's see if it gets super windy. If it does, I'll shut the camera off. But for right now, I mean, the bike is, man, I'll tell you, the climb, when I came out of where I just rode down, it was like super quiet, it's smooth. You know, you really don't do a whole lot of braking coming back because it's uphill, but it seems to be better. The tires might be a little too hard right now, so I'll probably adjust the air pressure, but man, as far as the ride goes, seems pretty cool. It's a fun little bike, that's for sure. I mean, like I said, the biggest concern and the biggest thing for me was her safety. And obviously, you know, a little better built bike. So again, for the price, man, you can't go wrong with what we're doing. See a lot of you guys building these bikes, and hell, why not, man? You get a sweet e-bike, solid frame, so the meat is there. You just got to add the potatoes. But yeah, this is Mustang Loop, little beginner trail out at the late night trail system. So I'm not pushing her bike too much because she's not going to push it either. We're gonna, when we ride together, this trail right here is probably about as technical as we'll get at this time. Until she gets better, she's just getting introduced to dirt and single track. So until she gets better, then we'll go from there. We keep going to Utah. There's beautiful stuff out there. Lots of beautiful trails, easy, techy, whatever. But yeah, what a difference. I mean, I haven't really ridden her bike that much. You know, only around the neighborhood, just making adjustments to it. But it's made a world of a difference. So this is gonna be a nice techie climb out right here. So we're gonna see what happens. Yeah, just keep pedaling and that chain should not fall off. When you stop pedaling, that sucker's gonna jack off. Jack off right off the damn thing. That wasn't good, right? But yeah, sweet ride. Tires are doing well. A little Schwabies. Little Schwabie knobby nicks. They seem to be doing pretty good. Hanging in there. Haven't gotten a flat. Actually, I probably shouldn't say that because then I'll blow one out. These things they're probably a little hard. I let a little air out at the beginning when I first came down the hill or up the hill. It was super windy coming that way, so I couldn't record that. But now the wind's kind of slowed down. The calm before the storm, I guess. We've been getting so much wind. Yeah. I mean, listen, it's super quiet. Just absorbing. My arms don't hurt. My hands, nothing. It's pretty nice. I think it was worth it. I mean, to be honest with you, everything I purchased cost more than the bike. So just so you know, when you rebuild these things to your specifics or your liking, it costs a little bit, but still cheaper than buying an e-bike from Giant or somewhere like that. Look at this. Just get it. Huh? Nice. about that, huh? This trail here, this is the very first trail I reviewed my bike on. So to come back and review her bike on it is pretty cool. I've been in low power the whole time. I'm in second gear right now, just cruising out of here. Heading back to the parking lot. But yeah, I've been wanting to do this review. I took the bike to REI, just another plug again for REI because they've been phenomenal. I took it on the day before Mother's Day, Friday, and dropped it off, and they called Friday night telling me it was ready. How you doing, man? Hey. Thanks, sir. Have a good walk. And so we went to my son's for Mother's Day for brunch, and then after that we picked up the bike. But unfortunately it was windy as hell for the next 2 or 3 days. I mean, we recorded a 75-mile-an-hour gust of wind about a mile from my house in Red Rock Canyon. It's kind of like my stomping grounds for riding back in there. 75-mile-an-hour gust. So they say Chicago is the windy city, but if you come to Las Vegas in April and May, we're the windy city. Trust me. All right, it's starting to get windy, so I'm gonna peace out on you guys. But man, I'll tell you what, this Hyper bike has been incredible. Shout out to REI. Shout out to the Hyper group on Facebook. You guys keep riding, and all you ladies, keep doing your thing. Stay healthy, stay safe. Peace out. GoPro, stop recording.